It's weird that with this thing I have to like switch it over. Alright, hello and welcome back to $30 camera. But yeah, $30 camera. Wise investment. Or, you know, stupid smile, you're on camera. Yeah, I know. So is your business on camera. Because I'm testing out if this camera is as good, if not better, than the last camera. And so far, I'd say that this camera, and it's a little shaky. I mean, it's salmon color. But I did put a Splatoon sticker on the front of it. So, it helps with the aesthetic, although I might have to trim the parts that wrap around the camera a little bit. Because there's parts that aren't sticking to it. I don't know if that's a problem with the adhesion, because they're like 8-year-old stickers from Splatoon 3's launch or whenever the fuck that was. But yeah, like, quality seems pretty decent. So unlike the other camera, this one has no bullshit to it. Like no fucking, you know, night vision. Well, it has night vision, but it has no like fucking negative, no black and white, none of that shit. It's just straight up filming. Which, I mean, I gotta say, like, for someone who enjoys shitty camera quality bullshit, for someone who enjoys shitty camera quality bullshit, I gotta say this kind of disappoints a bit. Like, the video quality isn't that bad, like, you know. Yeah, that's a really nice video quality. If I had to say it's on par with something, I'd say it's on par with, like, maybe a 10-year-old camera, maybe a 5-year-old camera. Yeah, I'd say 5 is, like, the most generous I'm gonna give this camera for, like, how old it looks. Because it's definitely not winning any, like, oh my god, Ultra HD realistic camera quality bullshit. Whoa! So I have some criticism about this camera. It did not enjoy that Splatoon sticker I put on it. I don't know if it's how old the sticker was. I don't know if it's because the whole fucking camera is made out of this, like, cheapo, weird-ass fucking plastic. Who knows? All I know is, yeah, compared to the other $30 one that I bought, I would not recommend this one to anyone. Like, if you're gonna get a kid a cheapo camcorder, get them like a fucking $80 one, $90. Never settle for fucking 30. But hey, I'd buy it so you don't have to. Fucking, I mean, it's a neat shit cam. Like, you need a quicko shit cam. You're on a budget, you're like poor as fuck, and you need a quick shit cam to get your foot in the door. Sure. Would I say this is a good camera for like little fucking kids? Yeah, fuck it, it's $30. If they break it, they break it. Like, I think these two cameras were meant for young kids. Like, not meant for anyone being serious about anything. What happened? Oh, that's cool. That's fun. And the screen goes on sleep mode. That's cool. That's not gonna make me think that something went wrong. So yeah, camera, you know what I could say about this camera? It works very well as a flashlight. Could the night vision, you know what I could say about this camera? It works very well as a flashlight. Could the night vision, night vision mode is just it shining a very dim light in front of it. So good for fucking, you know, looking for shit, behind shit. Alright, I wonder if there's a way I can fucking turn that off, because that's annoying. But yeah, I would give this camera a solid, let's be fair and say 4 out of 10. Like, if you got a small kid, then yeah, but don't buy it for yourself. Because now I have a pink camcorder. That was the only, well, it's salmon. The only color it had. But yeah, no, that's all I gotta say about that camera.